The central element of the service value system is the service value chain, an operating model which outlines the key activities required to respond to demand and facilitate value realization through the creation and management of products and services. As shown in Figure 4.2, the ITIL service value chain includes 6 value chain activities which lead to the creation of products and services and in turn value. The 6 value chain activities are plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain, build, and deliver and support. These activities represent the steps an organisation takes in the creation of value. Each activity transforms inputs into outputs. These inputs can be demand from outside the value chain or outputs of other activities. All the activities are interconnected, with each activity receiving and providing triggers for further action. To convert inputs into outputs, the value chain activities use different combinations of ITIL practices, which we'll look at later. Drawing on internal or third-party resources, processes, skills and competencies as required. Regardless of which practices are deployed, there are some common rules when using the service value chain. All incoming and outgoing interactions with parties external to the value chain are performed via engage. All new resources are obtained through obtain build. Planning at all levels is performed via plan. Improvements at all levels are initiated and managed via improve. To carry out a certain task or respond to a particular situation, organisations create service value streams. These are specific combinations of activities and practices, and each one is designed for a particular scenario. Once designed, value streams should be subject to continual improvement. There will be 2 questions in the exam on the service value chain. One looking at the interconnected nature of the service value chain, and the other will ask you to recognise the purpose of one of the 6 value chain activities. So we'll look at those next. The purpose of the engage value chain activity is to provide a good understanding of stakeholder needs, transparency, and continual engagement and good relationships with all stakeholders. The purpose of the plan value chain activity is to ensure a shared understanding of the vision, current status, and improvement direction for all 4 dimensions and all products and services across the organisation. The purpose of the design and transition value chain activity is to ensure that products and services continually meet stakeholder expectations for quality, cost, and time to market. The purpose of the obtain build value chain activity is to ensure that service components are available when and where they are needed and meet agreed specifications. The purpose of the deliver and support value chain activity is to ensure that services are delivered and supported according to agreed specifications and shareholders' expectations. The purpose of the improve value chain activity is to ensure continual improvement of products, services and practices across all value chain activities and the 4 dimensions of service management.